To access your assigning tools in the Center for Officials Services, first log in and select Game Schedules on the left side menu. This will bring up a grid of all the games connected to your association and member schools. If a game needs assignments, it will be highlighted in red and show a red unassigned icon in the status column. To filter games by school, sport, or other criteria, click on the search bar and your filtering options will appear in the drop-down menu. I'm going to assign football games right now, so I'll select sport and football, and now I can see all of my football games. Click on your game for assignment, and a side panel will appear. Under the Game Details tab, you'll see all of the information about the game and can make any necessary updates. Select the Officials and Crew tab to start assigning. First, click Add Position to choose the number of officials needed for this game and their positions. Next, look at the list of available officials at the bottom of the panel and scroll to select your official. This list will auto-select filtering parameters based on the game criteria. In this case, the state and the sport have already been selected so that you can see who is qualified and available. You can learn more about an official by clicking on their name. Once you make your selection, choose their position from the drop-down menu, then click Assign. The official will receive a notification to accept or decline the game, and they will show as pending for this game until they take action. Next, click on Crew so you can assign your game workers if necessary. Click Add Position and choose from the drop-down menu to select the number of game workers you will need. Then assign your game workers from the list at the bottom of the panel. When all of your officials and game workers have accepted their assignments, the game will have a green Assigned icon in both the side panel and in the status column. If an official has declined a game, a red Rejected icon will appear next to their name. To remove this official and to make any other changes to your assignments, click the trash can icon and then delete, and that assignment will be removed.